What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for ZILLOW group with the ticker symbol Z. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So ZILLOW has been in a downtrend for pretty much almost a year now, early of this year, February 2021. And then now recently, this was pretty much the final push down during that earnings move. And then the price action created a gap that I believe will be filled up by this reversal. We just gotta wait and see if it wants to do that, but I believe price action could come up to here to fill in this gap. It's definitely a target for this move up, especially since we had a push down and now we don't really have any follow through. So it looks like it's a pretty weak push down, weak trend. Now we got above the EMA. We're inside of this micro channel working higher, as you can see here. So we just gonna have to wait and see if prices continue to trend up and find some type of support from the EMA and continue to trend higher to fill in this gap and come back to the breakout level at the $85 level. There was a downtrend in play, like I said, since February. This was the downtrend working lower, and it pretty much has come to an end, or at least shows signs of weakness, because price action could not reach this side of the channel, which is the dotted line side, and that shows signs of weakness. That led to a break outside on the channel, and then that usually leads to a move to a new low in the future, and exactly that's what happened. Price actually moved to a new low during earnings, gap down to push down further, stop out any longs remaining, and then continue to trend lower. We found some type of support at the $53 level, $52 level, and now we're seeing this reversal. So I believe this reversal will continue to trend higher and higher, just because we were super extended from the EMA, and now the price action created a large gap that needs to be filled. So I think that's where price action is working up towards. We already met the measured move. This was the first leg down right here, and this is the second leg down after the correction up, and you can see that's exactly where prices stopped at, right around the $57 level. That's where price action started to stall out. People took their profits in this downtrend. Let me show you guys that right now with this horizontal line. And if I zoom out on the chart, you can see that this was a previous resistance or support level for a long time. You can see previously this was a support level. Price action could not break through. It tested this level multiple times, and whenever price action tests a level multiple times and it fails to break through it, it will just trend in the opposite direction. So now we came back to test that level again. It looks like we got above it, and now we're starting to reverse in the opposite direction. So I believe this reversal to continue much higher. Like I said earlier, with the downtrend, I believe it's over, or at least taking a pause for the moment, and that's why we're seeing this correction working higher. We had two legs down already. We had a break outside the channel and a move to a new low. Two legs down to a new low. And now we're seeing a push up of the EMA with a lot of buying pressure, and there's a gap that could be filled and potentially reach all the way to the breakout level at the $85 target. So that's pretty much my analysis on the daily chart. I believe this is not a fake push up. I think it's a strong move up that we will continue to see higher highs in the future, until at least my prediction is the $85 level. So let's go ahead and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So here we have the weekly chart for ZILLOW, and you can see that price action was close to the EMA and finding resistance, and all of a sudden there was one move down just to stop out everybody remaining, scare all the longs out of their positions, and then entice shorts to get in. But you don't want to be taking trades too far away from the EMA and at the bottom of the market, and that's what we're getting right now, kind of a trap for the shorts. And that's why I predict prices to come back to the EMA and to the previous breakout level, which is the mid 80s or the low 90s. So that's where I think prices can reach with this move up. I'll be surprised if it starts stalling out. I think we can reach this level with a high probability. You can see here with the dotted line that price action is at a crucial moment, because previously this was resistance level, and then price action broke through it and continued to trend much higher, and now we're testing it from the underside. So I think if we need to break up above it, find some type of support, and then we will continue to trend higher in the future. So we just gotta wait and see if this move up will continue, and I think it will. I think we will break through this level again, find some type of support when we pull back, and continue to trend higher to the EMA and the breakout level, which is right around the mid 80s or the high 80s. And from there, I'll give you guys an update on where else this price action could be headed. But that's all I have for the chart. I think that this move up will continue to trend higher in the future. I could be wrong, but I outlined many more reasons why it could trend up than down, so I'm going to go with what I believe what is more likely to happen. So that's all I have for ZILLOW. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to know about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.